BBQ Pork Ribs. Ingredients: 2 kilograms pork ribs, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1½ teaspoon cumin powder, salt as required, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Directions: start with preheating the oven at 120 degrees C.C to marinate the pork ribs. In a bowl, mix red chili powder, brown and white sugar, mustard powder, cayenne pepper, cumin powder and mix. Prick the rib side with the knife while the meat side faces downwards. Apply the mix prepared on the ribs generously on all the sides. Seal the ribs in an aluminium foil tightly and bake in the oven for 2 hours until cooked through. Take the ribs out, drain the collected fat, brush the barbecue sauce and cook it again for 15 minutes. Increase the oven temperature to 170 degrees Celsius. Repeat this process 4 times. Bake for the last time for 10 minutes. This time, keep the meat side up and remove the foil. Take out of the oven and cut the pork rib barbeque into individual pieces before serving.